everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So that is my friend who's come with me to do shopping. So today we are in Oasis Mall, which is in Koramangala 100 feet road. So this mall is too huge. You have lot of place for parking your two-wheeler, four-wheeler. So this is the entrance of the mall. So right now we're going to Lifestyle and I'm going to show you all what offers are going on in Lifestyle, because Lifestyle has an amazing collection this time. But when compared to all the other malls, Oasis Mall has one of the best lifestyle store, because the products and each and everything are so beautiful over here. Yes, I know that all the lifestyle are the same, but when compared to Shantiniketan Mall or Gopalan Mall or Phoenix Mall, Oasis Mall has the best lifestyle store. So this is also called as the Oasis Center or Oasis Mall. They both are the same, so don't get confused. Just type Oasis Center in your Google Maps and you can easily reach here. So before entering inside the mall, I would let you all know that I'm going to make it two parts of this video. So one is the western wear and the other one is the traditional wear, which is also called as the ethnic wear. So everything I can't show it to you all in one video. So that is the reason I'm going to make two videos of that. Do watch it. So before we enter the mall, they make sure that they sanitize your hands and check your temperature. So everything is done. So let's go. So when you enter the mall, you will easily get to know the difference between the other stores. I just love all the collections over here, and they have the best sale going on this year, starting from 70% off to buy one get one free on each and every item. So once you enter the place, so this counter has 70% off on all the t-shirts, shirts, frocks, denims, tops and each and everything. And Oasis Center is too huge, so I think that is the reason they have a lot of collection over here. So this time I would recommend you all to please visit Lifestyle. You can visit to any lifestyle store nearby to your place. They have the great sale going on this year. So don't worry about the size, you get all the size available here. So this entire counter, the price starts from rupees 799 and all these are the frocks, dresses. So the trekking starts at rupees 1299 and they do have sale on that. And if you're a party person, then this is the right place, because they have the best collection over here. Just look at this beautiful grayish dress. And I just love all the dresses collection over here, and it has 50% off on each and every dress. So if you feel that you're a little on heavier side or a little bulky, don't worry, they have everything over here. So coming to denims, they have a lot of denims over here starting from rupees 699 to 50% off and 70% off on each and different brands. So nowadays the grayish black tone jeans are on trend, so they do have that over here. Do check it out. And if you're looking for denims, do check it out in ginger, peppy jeans, only, and Bermuda. They have the best sale and the best jeans. So all these are the activewear which are used for gym, walking, cycling, and many more. So all these are on sale starting from rupees 499 to 70% off. So just look at this beautiful black dress. I'm in love with this dress. It is so beautiful and it has a great sale. I recommend you all to just pick it up if you find it in lifestyle. So if you don't want short dresses, then look for this white maxi dress. So it is very beautiful and it is also on sale. So here ends the video. I hope you all loved it. This is just the beginning of the lifestyle store and there's still the other continuation part which I'm going to upload it very soon, in which I'm going to show you all about the ethnic wear, menswear, footwear, accessories, bags, and many more. And that video is going to be of a great sale and great discounts. Just wait for that. And thank you so much for watching this video. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.